Your close isn't slow, it's leaky. Stuff falls through cracks. Then you're doing hero cleanups at day 20. Let's fix it with accounting workflow management software the right way. I'm a US CPA and I review month ends for firms. And I can tell in 5 minutes if the workflow is real or just vibes. What you'll learn. Where closes actually break. The 4-step workflow I set up. How to attach proof to tasks. What reviewers check every time. Main teaching step by step. Map your close into 4 lanes. Cash, AR, AP, payroll, weird stuff. Build recurring tasks by account, not by person. Set a definition of done. Reconcile plus explained flux plus support saved. Weekly 15-minute triage. What's blocked? What's missing? What's risky? Quick story. Client A. 3 people booking entries. Nobody owned bank rec. We assigned ownership and required rec plus variance note. Close went from 18 days to 9. Example. Client B kept dumping expenses into uncategorized. We added a task that can't close until uncategorized is 0 or explained. Reviewer notes. Red flags. Done with no rec. Giant JE at month end. Negative AR, AP, stale recon items. What reviewers look for? Bank, CC rec dates match month end. Balance sheet accounts have support. Big flux has a written explanation. AR plus AP tie-out logic is consistent. No suspense, uncategorized creep. Supporting docs. Rec reports, aging, JE support, variance notes, approvals. Checklist recap. Owner per key account. Rec required for cash, CC, AR, AP, aging saved. Flux notes on big swings. JE support attached. Uncategorized reviewed. Cutoff checks, payroll AP, blocked list reviewed weekly. If this sounds like your close process, you're not alone. Drop a comment with your biggest close bottleneck. Like plus subscribe. If you want review evidence and findings organized in a review first way, that's the kind of structure systems like Xenett are built to support.